Hello everybody and welcome back to my awesome channel Coding Decoding. So today we are going to make the Windows command prompt clone in Python. So let's get started with coding. First we just need one module for this, that is the OS module that is built in, so you do not need to install it. Then let us print the first line that we see in our CMD. Let me open my CMD and copy this text. I have copied it and then we have to paste it over here. As it's a multi-line, so we have to put this new line character here. So this is nothing but we are just printing the first line of the CMD, that is the default one. Next we have to create an infinite loop, that is while true, and here we will take an input. Let us name it as CMD, and within that input the text will be, we have to stringify one thing, that is we can simply write it like OS. We do not need to stringify, and then we can get the current working directory and then a forward arrow. Then we have, here it comes the important part, we have to print the output, and we can do it as os dot p open, and that will take the argument as our CMD, and we have to read the same to get the output. If we really look at it, then this is all that we had to make. As you can see that there is just 5 lines of code, there is hardly 5 lines of code, and believe me, we have already completed the project. Now let us just run this. I will not run it here, I will run it in my Python terminal so that it looks exactly like the Windows CMD. Do you see that, how cool that looks? I think just one more thing to do. Let us add this new line at the end of this line as well, so that it looks more realistic. Just look at that, just look at that. Let me open my real CMD, and do you see how this is the real CMD and this is the CMD that we made? That looks so similar, that is very similar. Now do you know the magic that we can make everything, we can get all the features of CMD here. For example, we can echo things. If you know some basic commands of CMD, do you see that it gets echoed here? If we will see for the date, we just have to wait and then it will bring us some date. Do you see that it gets us the current date? And we can even make directories, that is folders. If I will write make directory and then test, just have a look at this folder that I have opened at the background. When I will hit enter, you will see that a new folder of test has been created. Isn't that cool? We have just created the second command prompt, our own cool terminal in Python. So that is it for today, guys. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos like this. Thank you.